Hello, grade eights. It's Mrs. Pezlowski. I hope you're doing well. Today is Wednesday, March 25th. Just a reminder that we have done three things now. One day we did the lever calculation worksheet. Second day, ramp calculations and pulley calculations. And then yesterday we did the wheel and axle calculations. So if any of those you haven't submitted to me, either in the Dropbox or email, please do so. I prefer the Dropbox if possible, and but you can also do email or share it on Google with me. Tomorrow at 1 p.m., we're going to have a Zoom session, and I will send you the link to that meeting um, where you can ask me any questions that you have, either regarding the material or anything else. And I'm just going to explain kind of how we're going to go forward with science. So today we're going to do something called the uh, simple machine worksheet. But before that, I just want to show you this is actually next. And we will get to this, but we're going to skip it just for today. It's a worksheet on a video I would have shown you, or two videos. So we're going to do this today called the Simple Machine Worksheet. If you could find that in your booklet. And basically what you're doing here, these are all machines that they're more complicated machines, but they have simple machines in them. So what you're going to do is find as many of simple machines as you can in each of these. So they all have at least 2 or 3 simple machines in them. So for example, this one, this here, you're turning this wheel and there's an axle here. So that is a wheel and axle. This bar here, you're actually putting pressure here, but it's moving the force here. That is actually a lever. And get rid of this here. And then also you can see that there's actually a screw down there. So if I point to that there, that is a screw. Right there. This here should be pointing over there. Okay, so that's the first one. So what you're going to do is go through all of these and find all the different simple machines that you can in each one of these. Now, if you find that you find a lever, then I want you to do what we did originally with when we were studying levers, is draw a line under the lever. So for example, this is a class 2 lever. Put where the load is. So in this case, the load is here, but actually maybe a little bit here. The fulcrum is the wheel at the end. And then the effort force, you're pulling up on that. Turn off the pin. And so for each, if there is a lever on any of the machines, draw the lever with the 3 points, the effort force, the load, the fulcrum, and then put what class lever it is. So this is a class 2. So you're going to do that for all of these. When you have that done, please take a picture of it or scan it and then send a copy to me. And so that's 4 things you should have submitted into D2L so far. And we'll hopefully you'll be able to join us tomorrow at 1 o'clock for the Zoom session. And have a good rest of your day. And don't forget, there's also the eye dissection project to continue to work on. That's due April 2nd.